Hello everyone, friends. My name is Valor. Today, I'll show you how to get a mending book in Minecraft version 1.21 and higher. So for this, you'll need to find a village, right? And dig a hole here 3 by 2. Just like this. So I'll leave a block here. Now you need to place a button here, place a sticky piston here, throw an observer on top, and wait for a villager to take this job. You can speed up the process by breaking other job sites, like other workstations that villagers use, and sooner or later they'll come to you. Let me wait. So now I have this villager, and let's see what he's selling. Right now he's selling a respiration book, which we don't really need. And to refresh his trades, we just pick up our lectern and place it back down. You need to do this several times, or you can make him climb onto the lectern. There, and press the button again. After that, his loot will refresh. That's it. This was Valor. Bye everyone.